miners are trying to do is generate a hash, which hashes are a series of zeros and ones, right? In this case, it's a 256-bit hash, which means it's 256 zeros or ones with a certain number of leading zeros at the beginning. And this is interesting because it means that for each zero that you add on as a requirement at the beginning, it becomes that much more difficult to randomly generate that hash. So as difficulty increases and as mining power on the network increases, it's going to, first of all, make it more difficult to generate bitcoins on your own, because the amount of power that you can supply, or if you have a fixed amount of mining power, as the network grows, you're going to be a smaller and smaller proportion of that pool. And it also means that people are expending more effort to generate bitcoins, which means that the number of people and the size of the network grows, which does a couple of things. It makes the network more secure. It makes Bitcoin more secure because it makes it more difficult to counterfeit coins or fake transactions or reverse transactions. It also, well, that's actually one of the bigger points.
Bobby, why don't you grab a seat? Let me just finish the presentation.
Yeah.
We can talk about that after, so we can actually get through this fully. Alright, so 2010, end of the year. Bitcoins as a market cap as a whole passed $1 million. Pretty significant now, because now it's starting to get attention of some people. This little project with no leader, no organization, no corporation is worth $1 million. Many startups struggle 10, 15 years before hitting that sort of market cap. This project did it in a year without anyone really trying. Cell phones get involved. As a little hobby, someone's like, I wonder if I can send bitcoins through my cell phone. So they create a little app, they transmit bitcoins, value's been transferred. Bitcoins are becoming harder to mine, so people get together and form pools in December. And all along the way, the price begins to change. So as the pools get there, more people can mine effectively, more people can join the pool, price drops because presumably it gets easier to mine. Quick graph is showing that that's the value in dollars, and that's the volume in number of transactions per day. That's the earliest we have data for, July 15th. It shoots up to about 35 cents, goes down, stabilizes at the end of the year at 30 cents. Market cap's 1.4 million.
So do we know what happened here in November that caused the graph or the value of bitcoins to rise?
OpenCL miner. So more people were able to mine with their graphics cards and actually make significant impact.
So OpenCL miner allowed more people to mine bitcoins.
This is all speculation. However, no one actually knows. Like most bubbles, it's just one person feeding off the other forever and ever and ever. 2011 starts. That should say trillion, not million. The largest Bitcoin numeric transaction ever occurs. 12 bitcoins for 300 trillion Zimbabwe dollars, which puts the value at 45 cents per bitcoin. Kind of nice. Almost 2 weeks after that, it doubles in value.